Alright guys, day 2, metal detecting. Today I metal detected a 1850s log cabin. Still there because they built a barn around it, and it was really cool. Awesome piece of history. So yeah, they use it as a storage area now because they built a barn around it. So there's a ton of modern trash, thing there. Little odds and ends. There's a Dr. Pepper can. Cool stuff I'm keeping. We got this old chain. Really cool. Don't know what that was for. If you know, then let me know. We got an old square nail off the old house. Actually, wait, that's not the square nail. I don't know where my square nail went, but it definitely was an old house. Here's one from the trash pile. Come on, see it there? Yeah, there it is. My camera can focus. Gosh. Oh, we almost had it. Anyway, it's just an old square nail. I'll keep that. We got a, I know what it's used for. I just forgot the name. It's, you'd use it as a nail to hold boards together and stuff. Really cool piece, and as you can see, that's handmade there. Really cool. So, I was happy to find that. It's brass too. Another cool find was this belt buckle. It's brass also. That's probably 1850s, 1860s. Really cool period artifact. And then a newer one here, because they still use the place for storage and stuff. So that's probably maybe 50s, 60s. And coins, we got a dime, clad penny. Actually, that might be copper, because yeah, it's copper. Copper penny, and it's memorial. And modern Jefferson. So that's it for the hunt. Found some pretty cool stuff yesterday. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed, and subscribe, see you guys tomorrow on the finds. And if I find a silver coin tomorrow, it'll probably cut to that footage. So yeah, actually, I'll put them in separate videos. Alright, bye.